Object, stop looking at the way and help facilitate the transfer of power to DR. Gabriel Abeyom Kodjo elected proceed of Togo. United Nations, the sacro-saint police of the world, the Togols are demanding en souhait, not at alarm at blunt une lawful surveillance scandale through Pegasus installation in Togo, what are you going to do now? The Togols have been shooting out Tagna Simba, faté en son regime it most dangereux, treacherous, en a like regime of the West Coast in Africa, butur qu'à fallen on indiffère. Not a you have a very strong evidence of Forgna Simba antique, are you still going to stay idle, stay on the sideline? Not a it clear to you ta Forgna Symbiacon artist, are you still going to be sitting on your rang? The French government, te 1, en tukno for sur ta Forgna Symbewa diverting fondement for infrastructure en hospital, et cetera. Tovart installation en maintenance of jaw dropping pris illégal surveillance machine, wilt pour population picking, upte popping tag. Note à Emmanuel Macron, the French proceed, en haut the French citizen ranging from politician to businessmen are the list of Pegasus Moroccan version, not a int name of the polarity reversal, the law of nature, not at showing te foot. Wilt un an ustib looking at the way will ter Halloween of 2020 Bruari présidentielle élection DR. Gabriel Abeyom Kodjo tracked, persecuted en exiled. 1. Look how you really gray of ethical governing leader for Gnassin Bidouin. No, your se play out, wano. Not I double delignard into your face, wa abuta? Te cati out of the bag. 1. What are you going to do not utile bref Gnassimb? 1. Your crooked, et corrupted behavior fleeing in the face of your so-called noble mission of saving the humanity. Sorry to be blimp you are en accomplice tout crime of Gnassimb ante scavenger international community anti/s fraudule activity in Togo en accomplice tout evil de id of the scum of the earth surrounding him. Use. Nor ir no evil when Togols are doing B1000, Banky beat dit squad of the gang leader of the rogue government of Togo in a mafia-like execution style. You don't take when trino a single operating, en vel équipé de central hospital in Togo after almost 60 years of iron fist rule beat spoiled braille responsible for Gnassimb en ifate. All you caraboui having your masterpiece of the blue tinted and corrupted cake of the stolen money of Togols. 1. A world with body for peace, wish call are you answering to? My but call of the god of Mammon? Are you ever going to act up from your vegetative state and take en action in favor of Togols? Or are you going to continue standing on the cad and corrupted wing of Gnassimb par of the bling life style of the maroon Gnassimb, when Togols are struggling to make en me, or os to see the of the root, fairness, en justissant? Even if beyond a stretch of the imagination, you think Togols are suffering from Stockholm syndrome, considering the state of decadence in which the country is. Do you think Togols would be hero only voting for fate en son for close to 50 years? Cesspool of corruption, should set cynical fruit of the cesspool benefit of the treason en corruption in Togo. So-called diploma of the 1, o, Ecova, beavar. Soon you will be served a pink slip, et will be soon declared unemployed. Pegasus une lawful surveillance scandale should but strota break the back of the camel in Togo as a fish tank. The government of DR. Abeyom Kodjo, the Halloween of the Bruari 2020 élection asket to chute pan chute don bit 1, will at some team the world identity rolling out the red carpet for the felon, for Gnassimb, the lose of the Bruari 2020 présidentielle élection. DR. Gabriel M. Abeyom Kodjo ado honte élection with flying color. Élection must have consequence. United Nations must help transfer power to the Halloween of the presidential election DR. Gabriel Mansan A. Kodjo, Edo Itno,